Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Please subscribe the channel. And in the last tutorial, we have already shown you how you can create the pages in WordPress. Now we're going to use those pages to make menu for us. So here are the pages, all the pages I have created. To create menu, go in appearance, and here you can see themes, customize widget, and in here you can see there is a name that calls menus. Go here, and now you can start making a menu. And here already I have some menus, but you'd like to create one because we're creating a website for a restaurant, right? So here, create a new menu. And you can see you'll be able to give a name. So maybe we are going to give this name for that front menu. Okay, so this menu is going to be in the front page, and you can also select it to be the primary menu. So if you select it here, it will display location, it will be in the primary, top of the menu. So I will show you later. Now I'm not going to choose it. So front menu, once we press here create menu, immediately this menu has been created. Now you can see the front menu is showing here, and you'd like items under this menu. Now we're going to add items. So I'm going to press here view all, and here you can see all the items, all the pages that you can put in the menus. So in the front menu, I would like to have 3 of them, though we have created, I would like to have all of the items that we created. And what those are: food menu. So I go directly here, food menu, add to the menu. And now you can see that item is on the right side under this food front menu item. And then drinks, here it's already there. Add to the menu. And then booking, we wanted that our customer can have a booking page, and you added this as well. Then we'd like the private events, and I'm going here again, and in the P section we get this private events, and I'm adding this to the menu as well. And then contact. And as I have so many pages, it's also really helpful to understand that you can actually add whatever the pages you like. And then I would like the chefs in my menus as well. I would like to show who are my chefs. So here you can see the chefs pages was created, and how I created those pages, the link has been given in the description below. You can go there and see that. Chefs has also been added in this menu. Now I would like the participation page to appear also in the menu, and I press it, and it is also been created in participations. And then I also want my customer to see the recommendation, 5 stars, 4 stars, or the comments that I get from the customers from time to time. That I also would like to have in my menu. And then finally, I'd like my front page to have my blog. Maybe I have created many blogs in different things about foods. So I will go there, and I'm going to put the blog in my menu. So here you can see that in your menu, when someone will visit your website, in the front menu they will find the food menu, drinks. These are the pages they will see, and under those pages, in food menu you'll write about food. In drinks you'll write about drinks. In the booking page you'll write about how people can come and book your restaurants. Also about events, you may have your contact information in your page. So these are all the pages that has brought under the front menu. So you get an idea how you can create a menu in your WordPress. Thank you very much, and continue watching this series, because this series is going to be a very long, maybe it will have around 30 to 40 videos, and in the end we're going to use all this information to make a big website. Then I will not have to really go and show you how you can create a menu, how you can create a page, because those I will link in that big web page creation phase. So just stick to this series, and I am pretty much sure you're going to get a really good value out of this. If you're new and making WordPress, you really get a hand on your website making very fast. And of course, remember to subscribe and share to your network. Thank you again.